Wells English Medium School. Myself Ankita Joshi. Today we will continue. I am a social science teacher. Today we will continue our journey from primitive man to settled life, lesson number 2. So you all of you take our textbook. Which point we are going to study? Map of Stone Age human habitation in India. Then discovery of fire and will and their uses. Changing environment. And last we will study over here settled life, food, shelter and clothing. Children, I have told you that in the next video I will show you about map and I will explain you about map. So you all of you take out your map, page number 7. In that you will see in the broad bracket that Paleolithic place which is given over here in triangle shape, red color. That places are Bojhom, Bhimbetka, Karnal caves, from which we get evidences of primitive man. Okay, now next place, Neolithic. It is a green color, square type, triangle or square type. It is given over there. Neolithic place. So which are Neolithic place? Koldiva, Mahagad, Payampally, Cherant, and Halu. These are Neolithic means new stone age. Here also we get evidences of primitive man. Now Chalcolithic place, which is Chalcolithic place, you will found. You just look over the map. Circle is given, purple circle, Mehergarh and Langanaj. It is in Gujarat. Okay. Now initial village, it is only Inamgaon. We will study about it all detail in the next page. Inamgaon. There also we can find about the evidences of primitive man. And now modern city, which is a modern city in the map you will find out Mumbai and Kolkata. These are the modern city. Okay, so I hope you will understand this till here. Now look carefully at the places marked in the map we have done over here. You will find that at many places of India the primitive man might have lived. In these places primitive man have lived. Few places are shown in the map as I have just now told you, but there are evidences of their habitat in the many places in India. They prefer to stay in the good and large places where stores, wood and water were found. Primitive men live in that type of place where they easily find stores, wood and water, which is easily available. So they live in that type of place. They live in the natural caves to protect themselves from rain and wild animals. Where did the primitive men live? They live in the natural caves. Why do they live in the natural caves? So they can protect themselves from rain and wild animal. Several such places have been found in Vindhya mountains in central India. This type of place is also found in Vindhya mountain, which is in central India. Such type of place have also been found in the region around Narmada river. Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh has been found, which was an excellent place of human habitations. Bhimbetka is one type of cave, we can call it cave. Bhimbetka is cave, which is in the Madhya Pradesh, and there we have found out many 500 images. We have found out more than 500 images of pictures of birds, deers, wooden spears, trees, human, etc., which were drawn by the primitive man. So primitive man will draw here, and which are also drawn with the help of natural color. And they have drawn this picture with the help of natural color. This is very important. So you please pay attention over here. That what is the Bhimbetka? Bhimbetka kahan pe aaya hai? It is in the Madhya Pradesh. And what do we found there? We found that the 500 pictures. Image you can write down pictures also. The 500 pictures of birds, deers, wooden spears, trees, humans, and were drawn by the who has drawn the pictures? These pictures were drawn by the primitive man. And these are drawn with the color of help of natural color. You will see, now take out the page number 8. You will see the cave of Bhimbetka. Okay. Now discovery of fire and will and the uses. Ruins of ashes found in the caves of primitive man in Kurnool in the South India indicate that they were familiar with the fire. Remnants means remnants of the powder form of the matter that बिल्डिंग जब जल जाती है, यू हैव सीन दैट बिल्डिंग जब जल गई है, डिस्ट्रॉय हो गई, उसके बाद जो पाउडर फॉर्म हमें मिलता है मैटर, दैट वी कॉल एशेस. Okay, so ruins of ashes found in the caves of primitive man in Kurnool. Kurnool, it is in Andhra Pradesh in South India. Indicate that they were familiar with the fire. वहाँ से पता चला हमें कि they were primitive man, they were familiar with the fire As per historians, approximately 11,000 years ago, humans started using fire. So, approximately 11,000 years ago, 11,000 years से पहले से fire हम लोग use करते हैं. Human beings, they use fire. They are, means we can say that they are familiar with the fire 11,000 years ago. Humans started using fire. Use of fire had revolutionized their life because with the help of it they cooked the meat and eat, get light and protect themselves from wild animals. Use of fire revolutionized means change. Fire आने के बाद पूरी लाइफ उनकी चेंज हो गई because with the help of that they easily cook the meat. They cook the meat, they get the light and they protect themselves from wild animals. So discovery of fire has been great change to the primitive man. Other than fire, will also revolutionize their life. After fire, when the fire comes in their life, then will have also changed their life. They learn to make will from the tree trunk and the thick wood. Now, उन्होंने will तो बनाया, पर कैसे will बना? किस में से will बना? तो tree का trunk है. We have seen the tree trunk. It is thick, and from the tree trunk they have made the thick wood, and from that they used to make wheel. Bullock cart wheel. You are saying that. Horse cart wheel. Now next topic, changing environment. I hope till here you have understood over here. Changing environment. Around 12,000 years ago, there was a widespread change in atmosphere of the world. 12,000 years ago, there was widespread. There is a change in the environment. Widespread, बहुत बड़ा change हुआ environment के अंदर. Due to increase in temperature, vegetation and grass fields started growing in many areas of world. What happens? ऐसे environment change हुआ, atmosphere change हुआ, तो there was increase in temperature. Temperature में increase की वजह से क्या हुआ? We get vegetation and grass fields started growing in many areas. Vegetation growना start हो गया, grass fields easily start हो गए grow होने के लिए, and as a result, number of grass-eating animals, herbivores like deer, sheep, goat, etc. increased. जैसे herbivores means the animals that eating grass, we know that. जब जैसे ही animals eating grass, जैसे environment change हुआ, vegetation increase हुआ, grass field increase हुआ, and due to that, the herbivorous animals also increased. Which herbivorous animals? Deer, sheep, goat, they also increased. Primitive man certainly got benefit of it, and primitive man get benefit of it. They started studying these animals' behavior, and thus the mental development started. They started studying these animals means they learn animal के साथ कैसे behave करना चाहिए, किस तरह से वो क्या करना चाहते हैं, how can they can use them. They learn this thing from the animals and the behavior also, and thus the mental development also started. Next paragraph. They came in contact with grass, trees, vegetation as well as wheat, barley and other grains due to climate change. What happened now? Now primitive man, they come in the contact with grass के साथ contact में हुए, trees, vegetations and as well as wheat, barley means jaw. We can get call them oat also. Jaw, barley means, and other grains also due to climate change. As a climate change, they come with this contact with them all. By using stones, women, man and children collect grains. Stone use करने से क्या हो रहा है? They use stones and women, children, they collect grains with the help of stone. Because of this curious instinct, slowly agriculture started in India. Because of this curious meant something to know. They wanted to know something. They wanted to know. They wanted to learn something, and instinct means the behavior slowly changes, and slowly agriculture started in India. In this way, agriculture started in India. People started using stones to grow grain. What did people do? I told you that they made the stones, they made the weapons of stones and wood, and they also used stone to grow the grain also. They started growing grains near the bank of the river and construct their house made up of mud, thatch and other material in the nearby areas. Now where they live, they stay near the bank of river so that they can easily available water. उनको पानी आराम से मिल सके. Okay, so easily available of water, and they made their house. Now they made the house. Now primitive man started making the house. What type of house they are making? Mud. Thatch means a roof covering of straw. You have seen the old houses. There's a roof just cover of straw that we call them thatch. Okay, and other materials in the nearby areas. कुछ और materials भी, stones, like muds. They also make the house with them. As a result of it, their nomadic life came to an end and started a settled life. And slowly, the nomadic life did come to an end and they start their life, settled life over there. Nomadic life means, I told you that to move from one place to another in the searching of food. Now, they do not move from one place to another in search of food because as they are settling their life near the river bank of the river. The first companion of friends of its settled life was a dog. This is very important. Who was the first companion of the primitive man? Dog. Okay. Besides, he was also familiar with sheep, goat, cow, buffalo, pig, etc. They were also familiar with these animals also. Sheep, goat, cow, buffalo, pig, etc. Gradually, they started adjusting with them too. Now, they learn how to adjust with them. They know how to trade them. Okay. These animals protected them from wild animals. Thus, they associated with animal husbandry also along with farming. They started farming, but while farming, they do animal husbandry also. However, research has been carried out to find out how long he had been using animals. Now, how long they are using animals? Research has been carried out. So, changing environment has bring the great change to their life. Till here, I hope you understand. If you have any queries, you can ask me. Now, settled life, we will go through the next point. Settled life, how they will settle their life with the food, shelter and clothing. In this, early life and pastoral activity transformed primitive man's life into settled life. Early life and life, a pastoral activity means the shepherd, cowherd activity they have started. So this transformed into the primitive man life into the settled life. We know that agricultural land cannot be left out because it takes some time for crops to grow. It needs water and crops have to be harvested when grains are ready. Now here in this point, the agricultural land cannot be left out. Agricultural land तुरंत वो लोग छोड़ सकते नहीं थे because we know that when we grow crops, it needs time, it needs water, and when they will grow, then only we do harvest it. Okay, so when the grains are ready, then we do harvesting. So this process led to the beginning of settled life in the India, and this process is the beginning of life for them in India. He also started making earthen pots for storage of grains. Earthen pots means you have seen the मिट्टी के बोलते हैं. They call earthen pots. Okay. So they also started making earthen pots also. Why they are making earthen pots? To store the grain. As the wandering life came to an end, and this way slowly the life came to end, means moving life and wandering life. They search for food and here there for shelter and food. In this way, slowly the wandering life came to end. There was a widespread change in their food habits. Now there was change in the food also, clothes also and shelter also. Along with wheat, barley, meat, they started eating fish and fruits found near their settlements. First they were eating only roots and fruits, where that were also raw. But now they started eating wheat, barley, meat. They started eating fish also and fruits which found there in a settlement. He lived in the house made up of mud, thatch and other such material. He did agriculture. He made farming implements of stone, which included spades, chisel and sickle. These all implements means tools. They use all these tools which are made of stones. Which tools are included? Spade, chisel and sickle. They made of wood and stones. The following table shows the places in India where grain shelters, weapons and remains of animals have been found. Now here we will see where the grains, shelters and weapons and remains of animals were found in which places. Okay, so it's given over here, and this I can ask you the matching also, so please be alert over there. Wheat, barley, sheep, goat, stone implements. Where do we found? From the place Mehergarh, and where it is Mehergarh? It is in presently in Pakistan. Okay, rice and bones of animals. Rice and bones of animals, where they found? In Koljiva. And where is Koljiva? In Uttar Pradesh. Rice, sheep, goat, stone implements. They found from which place? Mehergarh. That is in Uttar Pradesh. Human settlement and rhino. It is in Langanaj and it is in Gujarat. lentil, dogs, pit house. This in Burjahom and Gafral, and that is in Kashmir. Then next, buffalo, bull implements, and that is Chiran, and it is in Bihar. So these are grain settlement weapons animals, and they are found in which place? It is given the box. Okay. Now next paragraph, we get information about the human settlement and cattle rearing from places like Burjahom, Gafral, Horangi, Mehergarh, Langanach and Bhimbetka, which were discovered by our archaeologists. Now Mehergarh place you have seen over here. It is, you look in the picture is there, and the cattle rearing means animal rearing places we get from where we get this information about human settlement from the places like Burjahom, Gafral, Horangi, Mehergarh, Langanach and Bhimbetka, which were discovered by our archaeologists. From places such as Mehergarh and Inamgaon, we even get information about their houses and farming. From Mehergarh and Inamgaon, we get the information about their houses and farming also, which type of houses they are having and which farming they are doing. They used to grow grains like barley and bajra. Sharp stones implements means tools I have told you. Sharp stones implements have been found from places like Mehergarh and Inamgaon. From Mehergarh and Inamgaon we get the tools also. We get stone implements which the primitive man were using. And this might have been used for farming. और वो stone implements वो लोग क्यों use करते? Because they use for farming. They use these stone implements in farming. Mehergarh may be considered to be the oldest village of ancient India. Mehergarh सबसे पुराना place है, oldest village of ancient India. Okay, point over here. That Mehergarh may be considered to be the oldest village. Which is the oldest village of ancient India? The answer must be Mehergarh. You see Mehergarh in the map. Farming of Mehergarh is presently in Pakistan, I've told you, and farming of barley and wheat started from here. Which farming we are doing in Mehergarh? Farming of barley and wheat. They reared sheep and goat. Which animal they reared? They reared sheep and goat. They did farming. वो लोग farming कर रहे थे and stored grains in Mehergarh. Bones of animal have also been found here. In Mehergarh, we found bones of animals also. They lived in the rectangular houses. In the picture you see the houses they were made in the rectangular shape. They lived in the rectangular houses. Small barns have also been found in the houses. Barns with storage or keeping animals. So small barns have also been found in these houses. In these houses we also found barns which are found in houses. According to the evidence found in Mehergarh, they honored their dead off by burying them. दफनाए थे उन्होंने, उन्होंने एविडेंस कुछ दफनाए हुए मिले हुए हमको. So many such evidence have been found here. Many evidence have been found in the Mehergarh. Evidence has been found at one place that goat was also buried along with man. The evidence also found like the goat was also buried with man. Man के साथ में goat भी दफनाए हुए थे. This suggests that they believe that there is a life after that also. इनका सजेस्ट ऐसा था कि maybe there is a life after death. मरने के बाद life हुई ऐसा. In the same way, a place named Inamgaon. Inamgaon also has been found in Maharashtra. Inamgaon is in Maharashtra, from where remains of dead bodies. वहाँ पे क्या मिला हमको Inamgaon में? Dead bodies of children have been found. Inamgaon में हमको remains मिले थे dead bodies. We got evidences of the dead bodies of children have been found there. They lived in the round shape. Now Inamgaon is of round shape. The houses Inamgaon is of round shape, and in the houses of Mehergarh were a rectangular shape. Reared cattle and did farming of bajra and barley. Inamgaon they reared cattle and did farming of bajra and barley. Now in this way the primitive man settled their life. Till here, I hope you understand the lesson. Read the lesson, and if you have any queries, you can ask me. Thank you.